Welcome back, guys, and today's the day 20 20 once again 21st and 22nd of my series of daily coding vlogs. The reason why this video was so delayed because the few chapters were correlated with each other, so I thought try to post in half instead make one little long video and settle it. And yeah, today we will be talking about class intrications and inheritance. Sorry if I have misspelled the word. You have seen in the thumbnail what's the spelling. So why to waste your time? And before I say anything further, I know the videos are getting delayed. Like I'm doing combined videos instead of single and this was supposed to be a vlog. So excuse me for a second. Okay, so first we will see about is static and dynamic memory allocation. Static is the one that we always use in C++, like integer I, float with, float A. Those are all static, easy to understand and nice. And there is another type which is called as dynamic memory allocation, which works the same, but you have to first how can I put this to you? You need to first write integer pointer print integer is equals to new integer, and then you have to use pointer print integer is equals to 35, and then at the end you have also have to write delete print integer, which is not a pointer. Yep, it sounds little confusing, but what can we do about it? Actually, it makes sense when we see it the perspective of optimization and memory allocation, but for me it's just one of the headaches which I will probably not use in the future. So okay, quickly to the next topic, which is allocation of arrays and structures. Of course we have the classics, that is integer, then variable name, then in square brackets the number, and then we have the dynamic memory allocation of arrays, which is the same as the first one. Instead there are square brackets, and yep, that's it, nothing else. And yeah, you have to print, you have to write print, then dash, rectangular bracket open, name is equals to, in inverted commas, that name. Yeah, it sounds very confusing and I don't have much time to edit, so I don't know what to do. So yep, then also you have to delete it. And yep, this is very weird actually. Then there's allocation of objects. Objects are like nice thing. There is the destructor and constructors. When the object is destroyed with using delete, then it will give a last message. So you can think of it like a goodbye message. Yeah, goodbye message. And to make a function of destructor, you have to just add a curve line. I don't know what is a curve line. And in your keyboard C, next to one, there is one, or below escape key, you will find that guy. So yeah, and then we have some static memories, means you have no static memory that will stay. Then we have, and also there are more purposes of constant, and there is overloaded and copy constructor. For some reason these are the alternatives of which we use on when we use that in regular times. And then there is data conversion. Nice. Then did I forgot something? Yep. Conversion between different user defined types and conversion routine in source objects. So yep. What can I say? C++ is very weird actually. I understand it now that how it works, but it's weird. Yep, that was in this chapter. Nice. Then comes inheritance. Inheritance and the previous chapter were like same, so I thought let's make a combined video, and also the next video will be also like same, means in a continuation. But I don't want to make a long video which will take long time to make, which will take long time to render. So yeah, then inheritance, you all know that there is one class, sorry, one object that we can use inheritance to get another class of that object. What am I saying? Another object of that derived class. We can derive a class from the base class. Yeah, and the base class is the first class we have made. Of course, there are multiple examples how this works, and yep, and inheritance is actually pretty useful. And there you can add also constructors, and there are types of inheritance. The simple ones are also divided into three, which are public, protected, private. Now here, protected and private are not the same. Okay, they seem like they are same, but trust me, they are not. Then there are multi-level inheritance, which is a little complex, and there are multi-inheritance. Think of that there is a company which have a class item and class sales, and two other class which are hardware sales and software sales. So now you can create item class for hardware and sales for hardware from two. Think of it like intersection. Not sure if it's intersection or what. As I said earlier, it's very weird actually. Hmm. For anyone who have understand it, please explain this also in the comment section, because I have understood, but why things are always complicated. Of course, behind this complexity is the speed that C++ gives us, so I can complain about it. And yep, that's it for today. And see you tomorrow in my new video. And the title I will reveal tomorrow only. And so that's it. Goodbye and stay safe and bye bye.